Dr. Kempy of the Hammond Doc. Okay, I noticed as I was looking and inspecting this V21, my task is to replace this diaphragm with this new diaphragm. That this part here is cracked here, it's cracked over here, and it's missing this right here. It's missing this part. So I'm gonna have to replace this. I'm gonna replace this whole piece, and that's what I'm gonna have to do. the thing about it is that they don't make just these pieces, so I'd have to give up a whole V21 set here to get that. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna make it happen. Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.